Upon returning from one of our excursions on the island of San Miguel, we accidentally came across a rum factory near Ribeira Grande, on the north coast of the island, called A Mulher de Capote. Intrigued, we stopped and visited it.
Siamo con la porta delle scarpe.
C'è proprio un posticino per noi.
C'era anche lì, Anna.
Guarda cos'è sta roba qua? Banane, ragazzi!
E lamponi.
Quelle lì sono le banane.
Non dove?
Lì!
Sotto la palma lì.
The name, a Mulher de Capote, translates to the woman in the cape and refers to the traditional clothing worn by women in the Azores, symbolizing the region's cultural heritage. The factory is famous for its wide variety of liqueurs made from local fruits and ingredients, such as passion fruit, blackberry, and pineapple. These liqueurs are crafted using traditional recipes and methods. A Mulher de Capote offers guided tours of their facilities, allowing visitors to observe the production process firsthand. These tours often include tastings, where guests can sample a variety of the factory's products.
Una botte? Chissà se è piena di rum o no.